I'm Dr. Todd Rider, and I was born a science nerd. I invented DRACO over 15 years ago. DRACO stands for double-stranded RNA Activated Caspase Oligomerizer. I love acronyms. We've had very small amounts of funding most years. Initially DARPA and NIH, that enabled us to do proof of concept experiments. First, the sponsors just wanted to see if DRACO would work at all, and so we picked rhinovirus, the common cold. We added virus to human cells, showed that it actually worked. It cured the common cold. Let me explain how DRACO works using this model. Actually, my first antiviral treatment used plastic dinosaurs. This one works much better. Virtually all viruses make long double-stranded RNA. It looks kind of like the DNA double helix, like my tie, but chemically it's distinct. So virtually all viruses make this, and healthy human cells don't. DRACOs are designed to look for this long viral double-stranded RNA. If they find that, multiple DRACOs will bind to the viral RNA. That lets the back end of the DRACOs then activate a suicide switch. Now most people don't realize it, but every cell in your body already has a built-in suicide switch. So if you're watching too much reality TV, your neurons may decide to activate the suicide switch and kill themselves. Here, DRACOs will activate that same suicide switch, but only in the presence of viral double-stranded RNA. When DRACOs do that, they will immediately kill those virus-infected cells before the virus can finish replicating and spread to more cells. And so it terminates the infection and it saves all of the uninfected cells. And this is how DRACO works. Sponsors were satisfied with that, but gave us a relatively small amount more money for the next year to test against a second virus, and then a little more money for a third virus, and then a small amount of money to test in other cell types. But all this has been a fairly small amount of funding. It was all focused on proof of concept, just showing that DRACO works at all. And here's why we're on Indiegogo today. Pharmaceutical companies and other large sponsors might be willing to help carry DRACO through human trials, but only if they can first see that DRACO actually works against clinically relevant viruses, major viruses like hepatitis viruses or retroviruses. So we'd really like your help in raising funding to do tests in cells showing that DRACO works against some of these clinically relevant viruses. With that initial demonstration in cells, we think we can get other sponsors to help carry DRACO the rest of the way. Specifically, your donations could help us to rent lab space in a facility like we're in today, with access to their large equipment. It could help us to buy small equipment that we need, such as centrifuges and thermocyclers, buy the supplies that we need in order to produce and to test DRACO in cells, and to develop our own staff. So we need your help in getting out the word about our DRACO research. Please spread the word to your friends, your family, your enemies, pets, bacteria, anyone you can think of. We want this to go viral.